Namaskar viewers. Hello to my friends. I'm Shelza Tyagi and I have come a first time on YouTube channel. My channel is all about mother's lifestyle. That is why it is named moms.com. We mothers, we perform a number of tasks. We are cleaning utensils, doing household stuffs, cooking food, taking care of children, families, husband, etc. And hats off to us. We mother always wants to feed nutritious food to our children and our family, of course. That is why my channel always wants to come up with a healthy version of recipes. So keeping in mind the same, today I have come up with a very tasty, delicious, mouth-watering recipe. That is Butter Paneer Masala with a healthy version of it. Now the question comes, how can Butter Paneer Masala be healthy? Yes, it can be healthy. My recipe is without butter, ghee and oil, and definitely no compromise on taste. So please, let's check out the recipe. Come along.
In a pan, we'll add 1 medium chopped onion, 3 tomatoes, 1 green chili, ginger. We'll cook it for 5 minutes till it gets soft and mashy. We'll keep stirring it in between. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt and cashews. Cashews brings good and nice texture to the gravy and delightful taste. We'll add little water. And now we'll add roasted and crushed cumin and turmeric, coriander powder. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll make a fine puree. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now we'll strain it and we can have now a very smooth gravy. You can see it. It's a perfect texture. Now again in a pan, we'll add this gravy. We'll now add Kasturi red chili powder, which is absolutely optional. We'll add half tablespoon of sugar. Now it is a homemade cream, which is a malai. We'll add now paneer cubes to the gravy and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. We'll now add little garam masala and roasted kasturi methi powder to it. Ta-da! It's ready! If you like my video, please subscribe.